Hey YouTube, it is Samantha, also known as Mssmclaughlin, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment below on this video, and to let me know what you guys think. So today I wanted to show you guys this super easy makeup look. I know a lot of people have been asking me to do makeup tutorials because some people don't know how to do their makeup and they just really love my makeup and how I do it. So I decided, you know what, why not? Like, it's so easy, and anything that I can show you guys, I am so willing to do that. So if you guys do want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So I've already done my my eyebrows and applied my foundation off camera, so I'm just gonna get right on into it. If you guys wanted to know what foundation I was using, I use the NYX Stay Matte foundation, and obviously mine is so finished right now. I need to get a new one.
Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me. Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me.
that's it. I'm going to go fix my hair. So this is a finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below on this video so I know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.